Hello class. In science on previous turn we had studied about different groups of animals, that is aquatic, terrestrial, amphibians, arboreal and aerial animals. Today we are going to study another groups of animals on the basis of their food habit, means which type of food they eat. On the basis of that we will divide animals into these groups. Okay, so the first group is herbivores. Students, all of you take out your science book and open page number 29. Okay, open page number 29 and keep your finger here. Adaptations based on food habits. Depending on their food habit, the animals can be divided into following group. Means which type of food they eat, on the basis of that they are divided into many groups. The first is herbivores. Okay, so herbivores. What are herbivores? Students, animals that eat only plants and leaves are called herbivores. Those animals who eat only plants and parts of the plant body, that animals are called herbivores. Okay, those animals who eat only plant and plant parts, leaves, branches, stems, root, those animals are called herbivores. For example, cow, goat, horse, elephant, etc. They have sharp biting teeth in front and strong grinding teeth head back. Students, because they have to chew, right? They have to chew their food very properly, and their food is plant parts and plants. Their plant and plant parts are very strong, na? So they have to chew that plant parts. They have to chew the plants. That's why their teeth are at the front. They have the biting teeth, and at the back they have the strong grinding teeth at the back. Okay, so they do not have, herbivores do not have pointed teeth, they have the biting teeth, as we have, right? As we have in our front, as we have biting teeth, in same way herbivores are also having that type of biting teeth. Okay, at their front, and at their back, at this side, at the back of the mouth, they have the very strong grinding teeth. Grinding means, like we have more premolars and molars, na? In chapter 2 in teeth you have studied that premolars and molars are grinding teeth. In same way, students, herbivores also have grinding teeth. They have long and strong legs to move around in search of food. But these animals, these herbivores, they have to move everywhere in search of food. Okay, they do not get their food very easily, they have to search their food. So that's why their legs are very strong and long. Okay, they have strong and long legs to move around in search of food. मीन्स उनका फूड खोजने के लिए उनके पास लेग्स जो होते हैं उनके, वो लॉन्ग और स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, लॉन्ग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स होते हैं. एंड बिकॉज उनका फूड प्लांट है और प्लांट के पार्ट्स को वो खाते हैं, सो दैट्स वाई इनके टीथ भी बाइटिंग टीथ और स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्राइंडिंग टीथ हैं. सो डैट ग्राइंडिंग टीथ से, सो डैट इसलिए क्योंकि ये अपने फूड को अच्छे से च्यू कर सकें, सो डैट दे कैन च्यू देयर फूड वेरी प्रॉपरली. एंड बाइटिंग टीथ टू बाइट द leaves of the plant, to bite the branches of the plant. Okay, now the next is carnivores. Students, now keep your finger here. Carnivores, flesh eating animals are called carnivores. What are carnivores? Flesh eating means carnivores do not eat plant and plant parts, they eat flesh of other animals. Flesh means meat. Okay, they eat meat of other animals, flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah, etc. Okay, these are the carnivores animals. They have sharp and pointed tearing teeth in front to tear the flesh of animals, and broad back teeth to chew the food. Students, now what type of teeth were found in carnivores? They do not have biting teeth, right? Herbivores are having biting teeth, so that they have to bite the leaves and branches of the plant. But carnivores, they do not bite. Okay, they do not have biting teeth. They have, in front they have very strong and pointed teeth, so that they can tear the flesh of animal very easily. Okay, so carnivores have sharp and pointed tearing teeth in front, and at the back they have the strong broad teeth to chew the food. Okay, means at the front they have the strong pointed teeth to tear the flesh of the animals, and at the back they have the very strong grinding teeth, very strong teeth by which they can chew their food very properly. इनके पास आगे की तरफ फ्रंट पे इनके पास पॉइंटेड और लॉन्ग एंड पॉइंटेड टीथ होते हैं ताकि ये एनिमल के फ्लैश को अच्छे से टीयर कर सकें, निकाल सकें. ओके, एंड इनके बैक के टीथ जो हैं दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टू चू सो डैट दे कैन चू देयर फूड वेरी प्रॉपरली. ओके, फ्लैश ईटिंग बर्ड्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स come at this paragraph. Flesh eating birds like eagles and hawks have sharp beaks and claws to catch small animals and tear their flesh. But students, some birds are also there who eat flesh. Okay, some flesh eating birds are also there. So how they will tear the flesh of the animals? They do not have teeth, so they have the beak. Okay, flesh eating birds are having their beak very pointed, long and pointed beak they have, and their claws are also very pointed. Claws means at the place of nails. For example, we are having nails, but birds are having at the place of nails they are having the pointed structure which are called claws. So their claws of the flesh eating birds are pointed like eagles. Okay, so they have the strong beak and pointed claws to tear the flesh of the small animals. Now the next is omnivores. So students, keep your finger here. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants and flesh of animals are called omnivores. Those animals who eat plant parts also, and who eat flesh also, flesh of other animals also, those animals are called omnivores. Example: dog, bear, crow, cockroach, human beings, etc. Right? So human beings are also example of omnivores. Why? Because we eat plant parts also, we eat vegetables, fruits, cereals, these also, and we eat some of the human beings eat, not all, but some of the human beings eat flesh also, flesh of goat, chicken, right? Goat and hen. Okay, so omnivores are those animals who eat flesh also and who eat plant parts also. Example: dog, bear, crow, cockroach, human beings. And what type of teeth these omnivores have, students? They have the biting, tearing and grinding teeth. Listen, they have biting teeth to eat the plant products very properly. They have the tearing teeth to tear the flesh. Okay, they have the pointed tearing teeth also to tear the flesh, because they eat flesh also and plant parts also. So to eat plant parts they have biting teeth, to eat flesh of animals they have tearing teeth, and they have grinding teeth also. Dead food at the back side of their mouth, they have the very strong grinding teeth so that they can chew the food very properly. Plant food also they chew the very properly, and animal flesh they also can chew the food very properly. That's why they have the grinding teeth also. Okay, students, so today we have studied herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. These are the three groups of the animals based on the food habit, but two more groups are there. On the food habit, two more groups are there. So turn the page and open page number 30. Yes, page number 30. Okay, so now parasites. We had studied about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Now we will study about parasites and scavengers. So what are parasites? Some animals live on or inside the body of other living animals to get their food. Such animals are called parasites. Students, if any animal, if any small or bigger, any animal live on the body of other animal, if any animal lives on the body of other animals or on the body और इन द बॉडी, मतलब अगर कोई एनिमल किसी दूसरे एनिमल की बॉडी के ऊपर रहता है या उसकी बॉडी के अंदर रहता है, सो डैट एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड पैरासाइट्स. Okay, lice. Example is lice, leeches, mosquitoes live on the body of the host. So अगर वो एनिमल मेरी बॉडी के ऊपर रह रहा है या मेरी बॉडी के अंदर रह रहा है, तो द एनिमल इज द पैरासाइट एंड आई एम द होस्ट. ओके, आई एम द होस्ट फॉर डैट एनिमल. जिसकी बॉडी के ऊपर रहता है पैरासाइट, दैट animal is called host, and the animal who lives on the body of other organism, that animal is called parasites. For example, lice or louse. What is the meaning of lice? Lice means jung. Okay, so lice some live na in our heads. Okay, in between our hair lice lives. Not in everyone's hairs, but some animals are having lice in their hairs, between their hairs. Okay, so mosquitoes, these are the parasites. They called parasite because mosquito also sucks blood of human beings na. Okay, they use suckers or sucking tubes to suck the blood of their host, and these parasites are having sucking tubes but with the help of which they can suck the blood of their host. Okay, lice, mosquitoes, these animals, these small animals have sucking tube in their mouth by the help of which they can suck the blood of the animal. Okay, they can suck the blood of their host. And roundworm, tapeworm, students, now come at this paragraph. Roundworm, tapeworm live inside the body of the host. Students, lice and mosquito live on the body of the host, right? Lice and mosquito live on the body of the host. मतलब होस्ट की बॉडी के ऊपर रहते हैं लाइस और मॉस्किटो, बट राउंडवर्म एंड टेपवर्म लिव इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट. राउंडवर्म एंड टेपवर्म होस्ट की बॉडी के अंदर रहते हैं. दे सक होस्ट ब्लड एंड ईट द डाइजेस्टेड फूड. ये बॉडी के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं और बॉडी के अंदर ही ब्लड सक करते हैं और हमारे जिस फूड को हमने खाया और डाइजेस्ट किया है उस फूड को यूज़ भी करते हैं, खाते भी हैं. ओके, दे ईट द डाइजेस्टेड फूड. ओके, now these animals are called parasites and their animal on which they live is called their host. Now come at this paragraph, scavengers. Some flesh eating animals feed on the flesh of or the remains of the dead animals. Students, what are scavengers? Students, some animals eat the flesh of other animal, either that animal is living or dead. Okay, वो एनिमल जो किसी दूसरे एनिमल को खाते हैं, अगर वो जिंदा हो तब भी और उस एनिमल के मरने के बाद भी, उसकी डेथ होने के बाद भी उसको खाते हैं, उसके बची हुई बॉडी पार्ट्स को खाते हैं. सो दोज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड स्कैवेंजर्स. ओके, द एनिमल्स हु ईट द रिमेनिंग फ्लैश ऑफ द अदर एनिमल्स, डेड एनिमल्स, डेट एंड दोज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड स्कैवेंजर्स. वो एनिमल्स जो एक डेड एनिमल के बचे हुए पार्ट्स को खाते हैं, बॉडी पार्ट्स को खाते हैं, दोज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड स्कैवेंजर्स. ओके, सम फ्लैश ईटिंग एनिमल्स फीड ऑन द फ्लैश और द रिमेन्स ऑफ द डेड एनिमल्स. या वो फ्लैश भी खाते हैं दूसरे एनिमल्स का और डेड रिमेन्स भी खाते हैं, डेड एनिमल के भी रिमेनिंग पार्ट को वो खाते हैं. सो दोज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड स्कैवेंजर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल vulture, hawk, hyena. Okay, these animals eat the flesh of other animal also and they eat the remaining part of their dead body also. Okay, so that's why they are called scavengers. So students, today we had studied about the division of animals on the basis of their food, right? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites and scavengers. These are the animals divided in different groups on the basis of their food, on the basis of what they eat. Okay, now on next turn we will study adaptations based on protection. Thank you class.